So become a good product owner, Scrum Master, good project manager, good leader. In some point, they are all same. Why? Because in the IT side, the end goal is we are developing either application or the website or the service, I mean the API service, right? So end of the day, everybody is actually the same place. So being a product owner, you will be given the tools, technology, process, procedure, and the different tools, such as example, like the Google Drive, different documentation, presentation, all the purposes. Project management tools, so you can lead the project team to develop your project. Agile Scrum, so you can follow this framework to lead the project. And the final is you'll be given a feature, means like a mobile application development, or in the large application, you will get this specific feature. So an example for the TS40S platform, right? The enrollment is a feature, very complex feature, right? And then after enrollment, the video uploading is a big feature. Okay, so how this works? So this is called the feature. So related to the feature, all the functionality is combined, called the feature, because we have to upload the video for the student, the workshop, chapter modules, show and tell, interview videos, one-on-one. See this? And then also the video has to only share with Kazi Anwar, not with other people, only share with a specific group, only share with a specific session. You see, all the functionality with the video. So now you can see what the other functionality already added here. So you see this, the security already added here. You see this, with the permission. Or my video has to go with other feature now, because the permission is a different feature. So now you see, now you have to work with the other product owner to know their feature as well. Make sense? So that the two features can combine, and the both developing in the separate team, and the end goal is they are developing the application. So extremely, the good amount of communication and collaboration is the key. Good?